Okay, now we're going to look at inserting tables and manipulating tables, formatting, as well as saving and retrieving documents in Word. So to start with, I'm going at the top and I'm going to insert a table. Now I can insert my table by picking my rows and columns here. So say for example, I'm going to go for 3 columns and 3 rows. That's 3 by 3 here. Then I can put data into my tables. So I'm going to put name of student A, student B, perhaps I'm going to record scores across the top, so scores. Then the score for test B. And I can put in values into my table. Now let's look at the different options I've got available. I can highlight a row here and right click insert rows below. Likewise with columns, I can highlight a column and then highlight a column and then right click insert column, and I can column to the left or the right, so insert a column to the right, for example. I can also delete rows and columns, so I'm going to highlight a column here and then delete my column. Now I can format my table as well, so in this case I'm going to format the top, right click, borders and shading, and then I'm going to shade the top bit of my table. I'm going to go for this blue colour here, and then I'm going to shade the bottom or the side bit here. Again, right click, borders and shading, and then I'm going to shade that this blue colour as well. Press OK, and then I've shaded the top and the side of my table. Now I'm going to save my documents. I'm going to go File at the top here, Save As. Then I'm going to find a location for it. In this case, I'm going to put it on my memory stick. So I'm going to go Disk E, which is my memory stick. TLI folder, I'm going to put it, and documents. That's where I'm going to store documents related to these tutorials. And I'm going to call it tables and save. Now, I'm going to close down Word for a second, and I'm going to show you how we open things up. I mean, in my folder, I can see my document here. I can double click on it, that will open it up. Or I can open up Word from scratch. So I'll go to Microsoft Office, Word. Now, I can file, and you'll see in recent documents, as soon as I go file, it recognises the document that I last used, which was tables. Or I can go to Open and then find my location, in this case, Disk E and TLI and Documents and Tables, and Open.